Very, very windy today. Hi, everybody. Weather comes and goes, and there are changes that happen like this in life, in the actual physical landscape of the world, as well as our interior landscapes. And well, I know this isn't the forest, it's just so windy. I'm kind of tucked away in the corner of a building right now to reduce sound, but I was inspired to record something to share. And besides the changing weather and how things can really change from one day or one moment to the next, in the past few days, I had been having some anxiety. I made a recording about that recently, and anyways, a couple of days ago, I was having some anxiety. It was 2 days ago. I had a very, very busy day and came home and was like really burned out, sort of old-fashioned burned out, like I haven't been for a time, just because of the intensity of the day's activities, which comprised meeting 4 people at different times throughout the day, and about maybe 3-4 hours of riding a bike. So it was a big day. And when I got home and I was so exhausted, I drew a bath, and I had my phone. I thought I'd maybe watch or listen to something or whatever, on a little stand next to the bath, but it was better just to turn off the lights, turn off the phone, and just sink down into that moment. Just allow things to rest, allow for quiet, allow for my mind to just go off, literally. And just sort of absorb that present moment as it is. And it was, it actually brought me very quick relief. And since then, it has stayed. The last 2 mornings I've woken up feeling similarly content, and not this regular desire, which I usually have in the morning, to, once I'm awake, I'll do some presence like meditation and really be mindful as I wake up, or aware as I wake up. But then I'll usually reach for my phone and check the news and check emails and social media. And the past couple mornings I haven't done it, and it feels really good, and I still haven't done it. And there's something to be said about unplugging from the constant conveyor belt of information that I feed into my mind. Very cute barking dogs. That I feed into my mind through whatever the devices are, some screen somewhere, or even if it's just a book or just headphones. So these distractions aren't just distractions from boredom, but they're distractions from the richness of interior identification and an intimate knowledge of the interior landscape of ourselves, which is the fundamental property of who we think we are. And if we are unwilling to look at it and explore it and surrender to it and accept it, just to get our footing to where we are right now, if we're unwilling to take that time, then we may never be able to root our own interior space or our own identity, and where it sort of sits on its foundation inside of us. So I wanted to share that, the unplugging aspect, and the kind of surrender into the moment, and the feeling of sort of like just allowing it to be, just sort of like sinking down into it with a natural gravity. It can be done anywhere. All right, that's it for this one. Apologies for the quality. Maybe, a lot of times I will just listen to a video which is similar to this and not watch it unless the visuals are integral to the message. And here they're not. They're just sort of not showing me and showing what I may be looking at. So hopefully you can just listen to it, but even then with the wind, the sound isn't so good. Apologies. But it's a genuine, authentic recording, wanting to share with you in this moment. Not to script or produce, but just to be raw, honest, and spontaneous in the moment. All right. Warmest of wishes to everybody listening. Keep on going and keep being there for each other. And first, be there for yourself. Forgiveness, care, surrender, patience, love, understanding. All right, until next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.